Welcome to this guide for installing and activating IDGate. In this video, we'll cover everything from downloading the distribution to activating the license. To begin, log into the RecFaces download site at files.recfaces.com using the credentials provided by your manager. From the product list, select IDGate, then choose the latest release. In the Distributions section, select Windows and download the executable archive. If you see any hotfixes listed, download and run them as well. The distribution is also available for Linux, but here we are showing the Windows installation. We also recommend downloading the administrator's guide for this release from the documentation section. It includes system settings and the initial login credentials. Before running the installer, make sure to disable any antivirus software on the server. This step is very important for a smooth installation process. Next, run the distribution file, select the language and accept the license agreement. For this setup, we choose a standard installation, which installs the system core locally. The main components are the system core and video processing services called trackers. You can choose the number of trackers to install, roughly 1 tracker per 3 cameras. The installation will take longer than in the video, so allow it to complete. When finished, restart the system. After restarting, wait 5 to 10 minutes for all services to start. Open the IDGate from the installation folder or from the desktop. At the first login, use the administrator credentials provided in the guide. Enter the login and password. You will then be prompted to change the password. After submitting the new password, the system will automatically log you out. You will need to log in again using your new credentials. Once logged in, access the system information page. This page contains the hardware ID and other system details, and it is where you will complete the licensing process. IDGate can be licensed in 2 ways, online and offline. Online licensing requires internet access. On the registration page, you will need to fill out a short registration form with your company and contact information. Once submitted, the license will be issued automatically and the system information page will update with your license details. Offline licensing is used when internet access is not available. Copy the hardware ID and send it to your RecFaces contact. You will receive a license file with the key extension to upload on the same page and activate the system. After successful licensing, IDGate is fully operational and ready for configuration. You can also open the license information page to review your license limits for profiles, devices, cameras, and the expiration date.